If you're planning a window installation project in West Valley City, it's natural to have questions about the process and what to expect. New windows not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home but can also improve energy efficiency and increase property value. Knowing what lies ahead can make the process smoother and less stressful. Here is a comprehensive guide on what to expect during a window installation project in West Valley City. Initial consultation and assessment. The process typically begins with an initial consultation with a window contractor. This step involves assessing your current windows, discussing your needs and preferences, and reviewing the options available. The contractor will take precise measurements to ensure your new windows fit perfectly. During this phase, you'll have the opportunity to explore different window styles, materials, energy efficiency options, and pricing. Be prepared to ask questions and seek clarification to ensure you make informed decisions. Scheduling the installation date. Once you have selected the windows that best suit your needs and budget, the contractor will work with you to schedule an installation date. Availability can depend on factors such as the complexity of the job, the number of windows being installed, and the availability of the selected products. Weather conditions are also considered to avoid any potential issues during installation. Preparing your home for installation. Before the installation team arrives, you'll need to prepare your home to ensure a smooth process. This preparation includes removing any window treatments, such as curtains, blinds, or shades, and clearing the area around each window, both inside and out. Move furniture away from windows and provide a clear path for the installers to access the work area. This step helps prevent potential damage to your belongings and ensures the installers can work efficiently. The arrival of the installation team. On the scheduled installation day, a team of professional installers will arrive at your home. They will begin by reviewing the installation plan with you to confirm all details. The team will then bring in the necessary tools and materials and lay down protective coverings to prevent dust and debris from spreading inside your home. Professional installers take care to respect your home and leave it as clean as possible once the job is done. Removing the old windows. The first step in the actual installation process is the removal of your existing windows. The team will carefully remove each window, taking care to minimize dust and debris. Any old caulking and debris will be cleared away to create a smooth surface for the new window installation. This step can generate some noise and disruption, but rest assured that the team will work quickly and professionally. Installing the new windows. Next comes the installation of your new windows. This stage involves placing the new window units into the openings, leveling and securing them, and then sealing the edges to ensure a tight fit. The goal is to create a secure, weatherproof barrier that prevents air leakage and water intrusion. The installers will take time to properly insulate around the frame and check that the windows open, close, and lock smoothly. Clean up and final inspection. Once the installation is complete, the team will clean up the work area, removing any old window materials, packaging, and debris. The goal is to leave your home looking as if the installation never happened, aside from your beautiful new windows. The team will conduct a final inspection, checking for any gaps, drafts, or operational issues. You'll also have the chance to review the work and ask any questions you may have. Post-installation tips and care. After the installation, the contractor will provide you with care and maintenance tips to ensure your windows continue to perform optimally. This may include how to clean the glass, lubricate moving parts, and maintain the caulking around the frames. Proper care will extend the lifespan of your windows and protect your investment. Enjoying the benefits. With your new windows installed, you can enjoy the numerous benefits they bring. These include improved energy efficiency, a quieter interior, enhanced curb appeal, and potential savings on energy bills. In a place like West Valley City, where temperatures can vary, high-quality windows can make a significant difference in maintaining indoor comfort. By understanding what to expect during a window installation project, you can feel confident and prepared every step of the way. Working with a professional, experienced team ensures the process is efficient and delivers a result you can enjoy for years to come.